Hey everybody, Jill here at the Pet Bistro. We are getting ready for costume contest. We are going to live stream, so I'll flip the camera around here. We have our 3 guest judges. Maddie is... Hey Lewis, will you turn the microphone on for Maddie maybe?
Oh boy, I gotta yell these things into a...
We do have a microphone, of course. So Maddie's putting everybody in order, and then Lewis is going to be announcing as we go by, and we'll figure out who the winners are. So we have prizes for first, second, third, and of course we have participation prize for everybody. Thanks, Beverly. It's kind of it's like sunny out. All of a sudden it's like weird. It's cloudy and sunny, but once I flip the camera around, everybody's in the shade, so I think we'll be able to see everybody. Beverly, if you wouldn't mind letting me know if you can hear me all right. I have my microphone on, but there's a lot of noise happening behind me. So we have some really cute costumes. We have a lot of people that are dressed up with their pets even. It's going to be fun. You guys are all going to love what we're seeing. I've already got a sneak peek because people have been here at the store checking out our vendors. We do have Small Batch, Stella and Chewy's, Primal, and Farmina in store with some samples and vendor tables, and we do have some things on special from some of the different companies, so it's a great day to stop in. They'll be hanging out here for a little bit longer as well. We're just organizing the chaos. There's a bunch of dogs and people on the other side of the camera, so just give us another quick second. I don't want you guys to forget though that we are live streaming our costume contest. I think we have over 20 contestants this year.
We might have to move the judges. Yeah, that might be.
That's fine. We can move them over there.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. So actually, that's
Buster. There's Buster. Buster's gonna go right here.
Maddie's just trying to get everybody in line. All right. Hold on, guys.
All right.
It's just going to be a few more minutes.
Right next to Eli over here. All right. Where's my Airbud? There you are. All right, so let's start the line over here now.
Where do we know where Lewis is?
Okay, so...
All right, I don't want to turn the camera around just yet because otherwise I would spoil a couple of the costumes.
Hugo?
Hugo's at the very end over there.
Oh, I'm going to need Hugo all the way over here. So sorry.
All right, Lewis, I don't know, where do you want to put the judges? Because Maddie has them lined up one at the very end going this way.
Well,
I know we...
this a little different in the past if I were on it, but...
I know. It's okay, though. Do you want to put the judges over there and go that way? Or what do you want to do? Because I can just move the camera.
Right over here, and then Rhett, you're going to go right after Ryan.
Oh, in the middle.
Just figuring out logistics, guys.
Maybe just over here? Standing? I guess standing.
Oh, the judges? Okay, I see what you're saying. We could do that.
And just have them pull, come
trot
out,
that way.
Trot that way, or however.
Well, they're going to have to...
Whatever direction.
All right, is that everybody? That is everybody. Who needs the microphone now? Done yelling into it.
All right.
I guess I'm it.
We need the list, Maddie, and then I just need to know where to go, Lewis, so people can get... Thank you. This is for Lewis. All right. And... All right, guys, you're going to just hold tight because I'm going to have to probably move the camera here. How about, Lewis, how about I go stand down there, or do you want to...
I'd rather have them walk that way.
Okay, so why don't you have a couple of the folks in the front here walk down and walk back? Does that work? Are judges all set? Do they know what they're doing?
Yeah, they know what they're doing.
Okay. I'm going to move the camera, so you guys are going to make a quick little trip with me through the parking lot so I can get over here and make sure that everybody can see all the dogs, and we have some kitties this time going up and down the sidewalk. So just give me a quick second. I'm going to get us set up here, find out where I'm not super crooked, and hold on here. Oh boy, look at what's going on.
Last year, we were able to do this, so we're glad we got a bunch of people back out and join us today for our 2000.
Hey Lewis, can you speak up a little bit? You can't hear down here.
Me?
Yeah.
Is this better?
Yes.
Okay, great. Like I said, welcome to the 2021 Pet Bistro. pet and owner Howl-o-ween costume contest. We appreciate you guys coming out for us today. There's a lot of good dogs out here, so good to see a good turnout too. So
yes, Beverly, it is a full suit.
Basically, we're going to call your name. You're going to come out. You're going to walk past the judges. Do whatever you do to schmooze them up. And hopefully they'll pick you, and we'll get a good first, second, and third. But everybody wins today.
Can you go over what is on the judging?
Yeah, I can as soon as I get one. Let me see here. So we are judging on presentation, originality and creativity, effort, authenticity, and additional. Like, did you dress up with your pet? Is there a theme?
Props.
Money bribes, whatever. So that's kind of what's on it. It's graded 1 to 5. Our judges, which are impartial, we haven't paid them. We haven't talked about them. So I think all 3 of them are brand new this year, and they've never seen probably any of your dogs or cats this year, which is great. So, like I said, we'll get started. Just when I call your name, pull out. Either walk this way past the judges or that way, and we'll get started. So.
We're in order starting down here, so.
Okay, not quite. Yeah,
okay.
No, we are good. So we're gonna get. First off is Joe Dirt. A wonderful show pony.
Here comes Joe Dirt. Joe Dirt is a cute little Borzoi puppy.
Borzoi.
Yay, Joe Dirt!
All right, next up we have Tanya Perry with Finn the shark.
Finn! And we have Finn, the border collie puppy, with the owner also dressed up in her gear.
I hope you're going fishing after this. There's a lot of gear you put on.
Super fun. This is contestant number 2.
Finn the shark with owner Tanya.
Good job, Finn.
He says I'm rocking it.
Right.
And next up we have Lori and Chuck with Mr. T and Cher. Mr. T and Cher dressed up as Catwoman and Wonder Woman.
Oh boy. We have a couple kitties, guys. Owners and kitties dressed up. What troopers. Oh boy. Oh. You're safe there, buddy. I know.
Oh, it's so cool.
Super cute. Oh. There we go. Oh. Say I got my own agenda. Hold on. Whoop. I'll get it for you. You're good. You got it?
Lori and Chuck with Mr. T and Cher dressed up as Catwoman and
I think this is the first time ever we've had kitty contestants in our costume contest. So these guys are a couple Sphinx kitties. If you're not familiar with them, they're naked, but they're super cute and friendly.
Sugar, the chameleon.
There's Sugar. She's a big girl.
Who wants to say hi to everybody?
Sugar's a Saint Bernard puppy.
Sugar?
She's a puppy, all right. She's like, look at all my friends to play with.
Next up will
No.
be Jenna
How old is
with
Sugar?
Ripley.
11 months. Okay. Yeah, she did great. No, she did good. She's like, look at all my friends, though.
And then that's Ripley. Where are you going? Ripley, which and bad?
Here comes Ripley dressed up as a bat. He's super cute.
Next,
Owner dressed up with him.
Yeah, both of them, Zoe and Emma. I didn't realize you had both of them with you.
Oh boy, we have the whole family.
And Farmer.
Owner's dressed up with the dogs. This is Emma and Zoe dressed up as cows with their owner, and then their farmer. All right, guys, so if you're just now joining us, it's the 2021 Pet Bistro Halloween Costume Contest. We weren't able to have this last year because of the pandemic, so we had an online costume contest, but this year we're back in person. Next up, we have Pebbles. We are live streaming here in front of the Pet Bistro for our costume contest. We're looking for some winners. This is Pebbles and her owner, both dressed up as skeletons.
Stacy, Lila and the ladybug.
Aww.
Here she comes. Look at her go. Oh, peace pop.
Lila's dressed up here as a ladybug.
That's Lila with the ladybug.
Come on, Lila.
There's a bunch of good ones out here. Yeah.
Yes, Heather, you need to bring Gunner up here. Come join us for our costume contest. There's some great prizes.
Next up would be Kelly with Sadie, the princess.
Aw, here's Sadie, the princess. Sadie. All right. Get to go past the judges now.
Here comes Sadie. She's taking advantage of the full catwalk. Double walk, or however you want to look at it.
All right, so we're at our 2021 Pet Bistro Halloween Costume Contest. We have some guest judges. We have Rachel from Small Batch. She's here judging. We have Shannon from Primal, who's also judging. And then we have Aaron from Stella and Chewy's, who's doing judging. We also have Sherry from Farmina here in store. So if you guys are around, you can sneak on up here and grab some snacks and some samples and freebies. Come on in.
Say bye to them.
I think this is the most fitting outfit.
The hot dog.
Outfit for a bulldog is Poppy the hot dog. She's making friends down there, typical bulldog style.
All right, we're good. Next up would be Buster.
Oh boy.
Bernadette. That was Buster, if you want to go look at it. As the devil.
Oh boy. Not Buster! Buster's not a devil. Buster! Uh-oh. More like stubborn, but...
Okay, that's Bernadette with Buster the devil. He was living up to it, apparently. Next up, we have Jennifer with Eli, the construction worker.
Oh, Eli's dressed up as a construction worker.
Cones and all.
Oh, and he does tricks. Oh boy. Whoop.
And, the construction worker. Next is Joanne with Dory, the Squid Games guard. Unless you're up with social media stuff, you probably have no idea what this is. So it's Dory, the Squid Games guard, wants to go back inside.
So Dory's the Squid Games. Dory's up right now in the pink outfit, Beverly. So
Right.
prior to
Next
that, Eli
up is Kim with
is
Simba,
actually an Australian Shepherd.
Something wonderful, probably what? late 90s, early 2000s movie, Air Bud. Everybody was remember?
Oh boy. Hi, big guy. This is Air Bud.
Hi to everybody.
I know.
Everybody.
So hard. I need to say hi to all the puppies.
Again, this is Simba, dressed up as Air Bud.
That is Simba dressed up as Air Bud. It's a golden retriever. All showing off for the judges. Sitting nice and pretty.
Next up is Hugo.
Oh boy. Hugo is
has been doing this as long as we've been doing this.
Hugo has
Every year, his owner makes a great costume.
Hugo is dressed up as an eagle.
He isn't dressed up as an
His owners come out every year and they actually hand make all of Hugo's costumes. So if you've seen him in the past, he was a dragon one year. So this year he's got all the feathers on, dressed up as an eagle. He's also making friends. Yep, go back. Yep, there you go. Good boy, Hugo. He's got it. They are Halloween costume contest devotees.
Alrighty,
they are here pretty much every year.
Kaiser, Bat and Witch.
Aw, here comes Kaiser.
Oh,
The puppy. Aw, how old? He's 3 months old. Look at him. Great. Great opportunity for him. Good job, buddy.
Again, this is Kaiser the Bat and Witch. All right. Next up. Next up is Joe and Linda with Mia the Reindeer.
Oh boy, here comes the reindeer.
Oh boy.
This is a greyhound.
It's coming.
He's ready for the holidays.
Again, this is Maya the Reindeer.
Maya, she. Sorry,
Maya
guys.
the Reindeer.
Doing some tricks for the judges.
All right. I know it's going to be hard to follow reindeer. But we get Lisa with Rhett the Taco.
We are on the last person right now.
Okay, Rhett the Taco.
But we still have our reps here, so for snacks and samples, and yep, we'll get you a participation bag. So, yeah. Oh.
The reluctant taco. Okay.
The tacos needs a pee break. Go into the bushes for a potty break.
Can't blame them. Did I miss anybody? Are we good?
That is everybody, I believe.
All right, so if you want to go excuse the judges up, they've got a couple minutes to deliberate. And we will come back with 1, 2, or 3. What everybody does when they're out here, and 2, they do get a little goodie bag. So,
yep.
Brought to you by Herb Smith.
Yep.
Some other stuff in there.
Yep. So just tell them, make sure they go inside to get the.
Make sure when you're done, you can go inside as the judges deliberate, and we'll meet everybody back out here in about 5 minutes.
Perfect. All right, guys, so judges are going to deliberate, and just hold tight. We will be back on here and get you a winner. Alright guys, just hold tight here. We're getting winners, and we're gonna probably move. I'm gonna move you guys again here back to the center. So Herb Smith sponsored our event, so everyone has a really awesome Herb Smith goodie bag. Most of you guys can see that. The judges are deliberating and figuring out who our winners are, and then we're gonna make an announcement. So hold tight. We're just gonna move over a little bit closer to the front door. Everyone's going in, grabbing their Herb Smith participation bags, and we are looking for 1, 2, and 3 winners. 1, 2, and 3. So first place gets a $100 goodie bag with a bunch of different items in it. I believe there's treats, toys, food. And second place is $75 goodie bag. Third place is $50 goodie bag, and then all of our Herb Smith participation bags are about $25. So there's some different samples, great samples from Herb Smith. So Herb Smith is a company that we've been working with for quite some time. Dr. Chris Besant is a traditional Chinese medicine veterinarian and does a great job formulating treats, toys, supplements. Really love her products. So if you guys need anything, let us know. We can help you. All right. You might need to make an announcement, Lewis, to get everyone back out here then if we have prizes. Lewis is getting the microphone back on so we can hear everybody, right?
It's stubbornness.
Check this out, you guys. The hot dog's back in the car. She just sits in the front seat hanging out. And all right, Lewis is grabbing everybody so we can announce winners. So we're looking for first, second, third place. And of course, everyone has a participation bag. So it's been another fun event. We had 21 participants, 21 folks dressed up their puppies, or at least 21 entries. We had some that were doubles as part of the costume. So, all right, Lewis, you ready? Did you make an announcement?
Yep.
Okay.
Made an announcement. They're making their way back out.
Okay. All right, a lot of folks are coming back out so we can make our announcement.
It was really hard to get those. No, it was very hard. All right, guys, if you're joining us, we just completed our 2021 Halloween costume contest. We have winners to announce. I think Lewis is making another trip back inside to gather everybody back outside. So they went inside to get their participation bags. So Herb Smith donated some really awesome participation bags with some treats. I'm trying to think what's in there. Some treats, some great stuff from Herb Smith, some supplements. If you ever need a supplement, they have awesome products. And we have some winners to announce. So this is exciting. First time ever that we have had cats join our costume contest. So we're excited that they came out and participated. This is just our live stream. We're getting ready to announce winners.
All right.
Hey.
The judges have deliberated.
Hey, Lewis. It's fine. You might want to turn the speaker. Okay.
Alrighty. The judges have.
I know that the cat people are in the car. I don't know if you want to let them know that we're announcing.
Sure.
Thank you. I know they're poor little kitties. They get cold quick. Right, I know.
All right.
Look at all these great costumes, guys.
Thank everybody for participating. Great. We had a lot of great entries this year, as we always do. The judges said it wasn't easy, which it wasn't. So I'm going to start at number 4. We usually do 3, but we had a cat entry, so we made it 4. Number 4 is Simba, Airbud.
Yay, Simba! Just make sure you stop back in at the front counter for your goodie bag for your winnings.
If you win 4, 3, 2, or 1, yeah, stop back in, get your goodie bag at the front counter, and if you haven't gotten your other one, for participating, they're going to be in the back, and we can get you, just we can get you a bandana too.
Unsuspecting puppy's like, wait a minute. Yay. Congratulations, Eli.
All right, number 2, as a first-year entry for cats, is Mr. T and Cher.
We do have this live streamed on our on our Facebook page too. So yeah. So if you want to go back and check it out.
Number 1, with the farmers, cows.
The cows were number 1. The cows and farmer were number 1. Number 2 were the kitties. They're standing off to the side. Number 3 was Eli, the construction worker. Number 4 was Ripley, the air dog. So congratulations.
Next year we can.
Thank you everybody for participating. I'm so glad you guys were able to come out and have fun with us. Some of our vendors are still here, so if you're local, come on in. This is always a fun event. Hopefully we'll see you guys next year. Have a great day, guys. Bye.